Hey YouTube kittens! It's Cathy Cat. Welcome to Tokyo. And today with the Listen Flavor Luckybag. This is one of the best value multi-versatile fashion Luckybags that you can actually get your hands on, in my opinion. Generally all their sizes are free size and the price isn't actually that bad. Only challenge with this one is to get it on time, because if you don't manage to get the pre-reservation in, it's very popular, so it goes quite quickly. It is 10,000 yen, but with tax it's 11,000 yen. And it is unisex, which means anyone is free to wear this. They're size-wise also a little bit bigger, which means it fits a lot of sizes. Free size is usually the size in which those come, and sometimes there are some items in here that are very unique to this, so I don't know what's in it. Some items have been announced, some colors are a secret, and there might be some items in here that are unique to my bag, so I'm excited. Let's open it. Let's unpack. Let's unpack. Let's unpack the bag. Woohoo! There's the tag. Time to cut the tag. La la. First of all, can I mention how cool this bag is? Listen Flavor. I mean, I do love the backpack they had last year. If you haven't seen last year's video, can highly recommend it. They had a backpack in it, and that one was actually pretty cool. Like that backpack I'm still using today. This is actually from last year's Listen Flavor Luckybag. There's so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I might be super lucky. Let's check it out. First of all, ta-da! Thunderbolts and lightning. Very, very frightening. Galileo. Okay, I am glad. Again, as you can see, the shirt is huge. It is very, very oversized. It didn't used to be this big. They've made it bigger in recent years, I think, to also incorporate foreign customers into their selection. I mean, that's big. But the good thing with it is actually in a brighter pastel color. Last year I wanted to have more pastels. Guess this year my dream come true. So the lightning is here. It's a bear with wings. The one-winged bear angel. No, two-winged bear angel. This one here was actually announced. You will find that in other Luckybags as well. It is claimed one size black, free size, and it comes at 7,700. So we're always there. What does this one say? 5,500, well, which means we have actually the price for the Luckybag back in theory. If you manage to decipher what it actually says on this one here, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Can you read this? Who can read this? It's a cat sew type, which means it looks like it is a t-shirt with like a stripy under thing, but it actually is all connected. Pew, 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 pew. Next one. This one's big, this one's heavy. This one is the free size sweater. So this is the free size sweatshirt that comes with it, priced at 9,900 yen. But this is actually exclusively made for the Luckybag, and there are two things that are absolutely awesome. I mean, cat. I'm Cat the cat. There's a cat on it. Had to get the cat. The moon is on it. I mean, cat and moon, and it also says lunatic at the bottom. Lunatic. So that's pretty awesome. It says lunatic on the side of the sleeve, like it says here, twinkle little star on the side. It says lunatic here. But the best thing this one has, it has cat ears. Stop everything you're doing. You need cat ears on your hoodie. I think this is pretty much the same size as the bear hoodie. One thing I was worried about is that they would put trousers in there. Some of the Luckybags have like shirts and trousers in there, and they don't fit my juicy hips. So luckily, it doesn't look like I have trousers in there. Let's see, let's keep going. Ta-da! A choker! We have a choker to go with the outfit. Oh, this is gonna be fun. There you go. Simple, good, and it is quite wide as well. That's amazing! Well, guys, you've seen my Danganronpa Luckybag, the unique one that you can't really get anymore anywhere. I got a Danganronpa t-shirt. It still has the tag on and everything. That was 5,292 yen. Hey, check it out. Bum, 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 bum. It ain't no ibuki, but hey, it looks really cool. Also, he has like a kabuki mask on his shirt, and the maroon in the background, and a cape that has stars in it. Magical. Finally, last item, and it is not dark, which is awesome for me. I think I've seen that one in store and I was tempted if I should get it or not. It is not dark. It is actually having a strawberry in it. It says Ruby ruby, and I love big sweaters, especially in this season. So I have actually now 2 big sweaters instead of 1. Those sweaters ain't cheap. Those sweaters ain't cheap. This one was priced at 8,680 yen. So, whoo! Big strawberry sweater. I love it. It's a bit see-through. Maybe it looks a bit see-through against the light. Let's see. I'm gonna try it on. I'm excited. Let's try it on. Little fashion show time. Let's do it. Let's go.
Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight.
Which outfit was your favorite? I think I am really happy with this year's Listen Flavor Bag. I can't believe this was just 11,000 yen. That was amazing. That's like what? There's so many items for that. I'm so glad I didn't get trousers. Thank you so much. No trousers this time or no shorts. This is fantastic. Thank you so much for tuning in. But if you love Listen Flavor and you want to see what they've done last year, then check out this one. I think I have the biggest collection of Luckybag videos in the English-speaking content on YouTube. So there's a whole playlist with all the Luckybags in case you love that thrill and excitement. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll catch you soon with another video here on YouTube or for a stream on Twitch. Thank you. Bye!